हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले फ्रॉम गोखले एज्युकेशन सोसायटीज आर एम भट हाई स्कूल परेल. Welcome students. Today we are going to study practice set 5.3 from that probability. Fifth chapter from algebras, fifth chapter probability. In probability, now we are going to study that event. What is meant by event? In probability, we studied that random experiment, then sample space and number of sample units. And we see some random experiments. Now, what is meant by event? For example, if we take one example, when we throw one die, then what is S? When we throw a die, S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is, we are going to study that event. What is meant by event in a probability? Here NS is equal to 6. Now I want only odd numbers on the upper face. So that is favorable outcomes. So how can we define that event? The set of favorable outcomes is called event, and this event is denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. up to Z. That event is denoted by, instead of S we use for the sample space, so we denote by capital letters that event. So suppose here A is the event. A is the event. The number on upper face is odd number. So how can we write that event A? A is equal to 1, 3, 5. So this is NA is equal to 3. So in this way, the set of favorable outcomes, that is called the event. So here, if we consider the sample space as one random experiment, that is, the die is thrown. So these are the outcomes, possible outcomes, but our favorable outcomes, we want only this one. If we toss a coin and if we want head, because if head is there, I win. So I want head on the upper face. Therefore, that head is a favorable outcome for me, and that favorable outcome is called the event. यानी मुझे जो चाहिए वो रिजल्ट, उसका जो सेट है, उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे? कहेंगे इवेंट. सो हियर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट्स आर, कुछ उसके प्रकार है. फर्स्ट वन इज द सर्टेन इवेंट और श्योर इवेंट. Types of events are not there in our syllabus, that is given for more information, but 2-3 events you must know, that is certain event or sure event. Suppose if we toss one coin, then S is equal to H and T. So A is an event, either head or tail, then A is equal to again H and T. Means whenever the event and the sample space both are equal sets, then that is called certain event or the sure event. Impossible event, if we toss the coin and we want one on the upper face, so there is no number, so here it is impossible event, that is null set. Then simple or elementary event if the random experiment having only one outcome, then that is called simple or random experiment. Complement of the set. So complement of the event, if we write A is H, then complement of A is A complement is equal to T. The S में है लेकिन A में नहीं है, जो नंबर possibilities है वो outcomes है वो, that is called A complement. We studied that A complement in 9th one. Then mutually exclusive means disjoint set. And let us see practice set 5.3. Write sample space S, means in this practice set only one main question is there, question number 1, and sub questions are there. So write what S, yani sample space NS, that means number of sample units. Then write the events, event A, B, C, and write the events A, B, C, and NA means how many numbers are there, NB and NC. So that we have to write in each example. Here the first example is one die is rolled. One die is rolled. That is the first example, and from that example first we have to write what S. So you know S, what is S? When one die is rolled or thrown, S is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NS, second what we have to write? S. After S के बाद क्या लिखना है? NS. Right? NS means कितना नंबर है इसमें? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यानी कितना sample units है? That we have to write. That is S. Now first event A is an event even number on the upper face. Even number on the upper face. तो पहला A in the form of set we have to write. What is given? Even number on the upper face. So even number कौन कौन सा है? 2, 4, 6. So we have to write 2, 4, 6. So this event A is a event in which the number on the upper face is even number. तो हम लोग को क्या करना है, यहां से खाली इवन नंबर चूज करके इसमें लिखना है. और NA कितना नंबर है उसमें वो चूज काउंट करो 1, 2, 3. So very simple. Now read that B event. What is given? Odd number on the upper face. So event B is a event such that the odd number on the upper face. So how to write? Again write in the form of set 1, 3, 5. So here NB is equal to again 3. C event. C is the event prime number on the upper face. Prime number. Prime. So which are the prime numbers here? You must know 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers. So number which is divisible, जिस नंबर को खाली हम लोग 1 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं या उस नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, that number is called prime number. जिसको 1 से डिवाइड होता है और खाली उस नंबर से, बाकी किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, that is called prime number. यानी 2, 3, 5. 1 is not a prime, not a composite. So 2, 3, 5. These are the three numbers. So NC is equal to 3. Let us see one more here. D is a complete square. The number is complete square, क्योंकि ये भी बार बार पूछा जाता है, इसलिए हम लोग ऐड किया D. So how can we write D? Event D such that number on the upper face is complete square. So which are the complete squares here? So student always write only 4, but 1 is also the complete square. So 1 and 4. So ND is equal to 2. So in this way we can write this event A, the number of sample units in event A, B and B, C and C, D and D. ये यहाँ पे नहीं है एग्जाम्पल में, हम लोगों ने ऐड किया है क्योंकि ये बार बार पूछा जाता है. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया है, 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. तो यहाँ पे तो बहुत बड़ा हम लोग को S लिखना पड़ता है, पता है. So second one, 2 dice are thrown or rolled simultaneously. So what is S? S is equal to 2 dice are thrown. यानी 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. उसके बाद क्या करना है, सेम 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 2 6. Next one is 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 and 3 6. Then 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 and 4 6. Then 5 1 5 2. And last 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. So first we have to write S. So this is the S. Then उसके बाद NS. How many numbers are there? इसमें कॉमा दे सकते हैं आप लोग. 36. So NS is equal to 36. Now 3 events are there. Event A, event B and event C. So what is event A? The sum of, यानी ये सम 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 2 3, इसको बोलते हैं sum of digits. 6 plus 6 12. I told in last video the minimum sum is 2 and maximum is 12. So sum is between 2 to 12. The sum of the digits on upper face is multiple of 6, यानी 6 and 6 to the 12. तो sum is 6. So A is equal to event A. कौन कौन से नंबर उसमें आएंगे, देखो कि जिसमें सम 6 होना चाहिए. देखो here 1 5 because sum is 6. Then 2 4 sum is 6, यानी मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 यानी 6 और 12 दोनों ही आएगा क्योंकि मैक्सिमम 12 सम है और मिनिमम 2 है. तो मैक्सिमम यानी 6 1 जा 6 2 जा, तो खाली हम लोग को क्या सिलेक्ट करना है, 6 और. सो हियर थर्ड लाइन में 3 3 द सम इज 6. देन हियर 4 2 द सम इज 6. Then 5 1 the sum is 6 and here 6 6 the sum is 12. So in this way we get that event A. So A is equal to this one 1 2 3 4 5 6. So NA is equal to 6, that we have to write. Now let us see the next event B. Sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10, यानी 10 11 और 12 ये 3 ही नंबर आने वाले. अपर लिमिट इज नॉट गिवन. मैक्सिमम कितना चाहिए ये नहीं दिया है, मिनिमम का कंडीशन दिया है. ये इसमें थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन होता है एग्जाम में. देखो मिनिमम 10 मैक्सिमम 10. मैक्सिमम 10 का मतलब क्या होता है, अगर मैक्सिमम 10 दिया है तो 10 से कम हो सकता है, 10 के ऊपर नहीं जा सकते, यानी 10 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता है. मिनिमम 10 मतलब क्या, इट इज 10. Less than 10 is not allowed. More than 10 we can take any number. So here 10, 11 and 12, only these three sums will be there. So B is, यहां पे मैं लिखता हूं B इवेंट, तो जिसमें सम 10 होना चाहिए, सम 11 होना चाहिए और सम 12 होना चाहिए. तो 10 कहां पे आएगा देखो, 4 6, फर्स्ट पेयर इज 4 6, देन 5 5, then 5 6, because sum is 11, get 10 and 11. Now here 6 4, sum is 10, then 6 5, sum is 11 and 6 6, sum is 12. So how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and B is again 6. So in this way, minimum and maximum, remember this one, मिनिमम 10 का मतलब क्या होता है, 10 से कम नहीं चलेगा, 10 के ऊपर का नंबर कोई भी चलेगा. बट द सम यू नो 2 से लेके 12 तक सम यहां पे है. 2, मिनिमम सम इज 2 एंड मैक्सिमम इज 12. तो यहां पे कौन सा ऑप्शन बचा फिर, मिनिमम 10 दिए तो 10, 11 और 12. सो हम लोग को जो पेयर जिसका सम 10 आएगा, उसका 11 आएगा, उसका 12 आएगा, ये सेलेक्ट इसमें ढूंढो और यहां पे लिखो, हो गया. C, the same digit on the both faces, same digit. C is the event in which we get same digit, यानी easy है, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, same digit on the both faces. So we get 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and last one is 6 6. हो गया. तो सेम यानी हम लोग को दोनों फेस पे जो सेम डिजिट रहेगा उनको खाली चूज करके लिखना है. अगेन इट इज 6. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन कंप्लीट दैट सेकेंड सम इन विच वी हैव टू राइट द इवेंट A B C. थर्ड एग्जांपल, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. When we toss 3 coins separately or means one by one, एक के बाद एक, या तीनों साथ में, रिजल्ट विल बी सेम. So here, when 3 coins are tossed, write S. S is equal to H H H. उसके बाद क्या बताया, यहाँ पे T, यहाँ पे T, यहाँ पे T. H H T, then H T H, then T H H, then what we have to write, T T T, then same H H H, T T H, T H T and H T T. So how many numbers? And S is equal to 8. Now we have to write 3 events. Event A, what is the condition for that event A? To get at least 2 heads. At least यानी कम से कम 2 चाहिए, ज्यादा कितने भी हो सकते हैं, एक नहीं चलेगा. देखो यहां पे एटलीस्ट एंड एट द मोस्ट, और एक कंडीशन इसमें है, मिनिमम मैक्सिमम हम लोगों ने देखा, सेम थिंग, एटलीस्ट एंड एट द मोस्ट. एटलीस्ट यानी मिनिमम का कंडीशन दिया है, एटलीस्ट 2 हेड्स, 3 चल सकता है, 1 नहीं चलेगा. सो एटलीस्ट 2 हेड, we have to write the outcomes having at least 2 heads or more than 2 heads. So H H H, here 3 heads are there, that is possible. H H T, it is also H T H, it is also allowed. T H H, this one here, T T T, not allowed. This one is not allowed, this one is not allowed. So here we get 1 2 3 4 and A is equal to 4. So here no head is there, here only one head is there, only one, so it is not possible. So condition B, yani event B, to get no head is there. So which one is there in event B? No head means only this one, T T T, in which no head is there, T T T. So NB is equal to only 1, so no head is there. And third condition C, event C, to get head on the second coin. head on the second coin, यानी year second, year second, year second, year second. So head on the second coin. So C is the event. How can we write C event? Head on second coin. Second number पे head होना चाहिए. H H H. यहाँ पे second number पे head है. Then HHT. Here again the second number is head. THH. Here again the second coin having the head. And THT. Here again the second coin having the head. So NC is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, easily we can write this event and the number of sample units in the event. So let's see fourth example. In fourth example, 2-digit numbers are formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in fourth example, we have to form 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers using which digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the condition is there. What condition? Without repetition of digit. Without repeating the digit. यानी 1, 1 it is not allowed. 2, 2 not allowed. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 repetition of digit is not allowed. Now how to write S here? Using idea. How to write S? Because no 2-digit number is starting from 0. 0 से कोई 2-digit number start नहीं होता है. 1 से हो सकता है यानी 10, 11 like this. तो 1 लिखो, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर 0, उसके ऊपर 1, तो 1 1 अलाउड नहीं है तो नहीं लिख सकते. 2, 3, 4 यानी ऐसा देखो. 1 से हम लोग लिखेंगे पहले 1 से. So 1, 0, 1, 1 repetition is not allowed. So that number we can't write. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So we get the 2-digit number from 1. Same we have to do from 3, 4, 5. Same repeat करो अभी. 2 से कौन कौन सा है देखो. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 not allowed because repeating a digit, repetition of digit is not allowed. 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. Then 3 से same repeat करना है. 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 5 because 3, 3 that is repeat of the repetition of digits. Then 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. उसके बाद 4, 5 क्योंकि 4, 4 नहीं चलेगा. Then 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. 5, 5 is not allowed. So in this way we can write the numbers, 2-digit numbers using this digits. ये digit use करके हम लोगों ने possible 2-digit number लिखे हैं जिसमें 2 digit repeat नहीं किया. यानी 22 repeat out 2 2 repeat होता है. 11 में 1 1 repeat होता है. 33 में 3 3 repeat होता है. 44 में 4 4 repeat होता है. 55 में 5 5 repeat होता है. तो वो digits इसमें नहीं है क्योंकि condition is given without repetition of digit. Now NS इसको काउंट करना है हम लोगों को. NS मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 13 14 15 16 20 21 22 23 24 25. So here NS is equal to 25. यानी 25 नंबर्स हम लोगों ने बनाए. अभी कंडीशंस दिया है यानी इवेंट ए के लिए अलग कंडीशन, इवेंट बी के लिए अलग कंडीशन, इवेंट सी के लिए अलग कंडीशन. सो अलग अलग कंडीशंस फॉर डिफरेंट इवेंट्स आर गिवन. ए event A, what is the condition? The number form is even number. So we have to write the set A or event A, that is called event A. The number is a even number. Even number यानी जिसके यूनिट प्लेस में 2 4 6 8 0 ये आएगा. यानी 10 12 उसके बाद 14 20 24 उसके बाद 30 32 34 next is 40 42 then 50 52 and 54. So these are the even numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. सो एन ए इज इक्वल टू 13। कितना नंबर है ये हम लोग को यहाँ पे लिखना है। तो सभी इवन नंबर जो है वो चूज करके यहाँ पे खाली लिखो। B is the condition the number form is divisible by 3, यानी 3 के टेबल में जो नंबर आएगा वो 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 6 3 3 जा 9 सिंगल डिजिट है। 3 4 जा 12 से लेके 3 4 जा 12 3 5 जा 15 3 6 जा 18 एंड देन 3 के टेबल में जो भी नंबर आते हैं वो यहाँ पे हम लोग को लिखने हैं। इवेंट B द नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 मतलब क्या, जिसको हम लोग 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। वो नंबर कौन से है जो 3 के टेबल में है। तो 3 का टेबल तो आपको आता होगा। नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, लेट अस सी। 3 4 जा 12 यानी 12 आएगा। उसके बाद 3 5 जा 15 आएगा। 3 7 जा 21 3 8 जा 24 वो भी आएगा। 3 10 जा 30 then 42 14 3 जा, उसके बाद 45 15 3 जा 51 17 3 जा, then 54 18 3 जा। So these are the numbers which are divisible by 3. So write NB is equal to, जिसको 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं ऐसे नंबर है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। So NB is equal to 9. Now last event C is the number form is greater than 50. 50 के ऊपर का नंबर चाहिए। C is the event in which the number is greater than 50, यानी कौन सा है खाली greater than 50, यानी 50 नहीं आएगा, 50 के ऊपर 51 52 53 54। So 51, 52, 53 and 54. These numbers which are greater than 50. So NC is equal to 4. So in this way we have to write event and the NA, NB, NC in this example. So here this fourth example is complete. Let us see fifth example. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. 3 men, 3 males are there. So let it be 3 males, three men or males, M1, M2, M3 and 2 women F1, F2. So from that we have to form the environment committee of 2 persons only. यहां से कौन कौन सा कमिटी फिर तैयार हो सकता है, वो S रहेगा। So S is equal to committee of 2. So first committee is M1, M2. M1 से स्टार्ट करो, उसके साथ हर एक को जोड़ो। M1 के साथ इसको जोड़ा, इसको जोड़ा, इसको जोड़ा, इसको जोड़ा, ऐसा। So M1, M2, this is the first committee. M1, M3, M1, F1 and M1, F2। यानी मैं क्या किया, M1 लिया, M1 के साथ इसको जोड़ दिया, बाद में इसको, बाद में इसको और बाद में इसको, हो गया दोनों का कमिटी। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम M2। M2 से सेम थिंग करो। M2, अभी M2 M1 नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि उनका कमिटी हो गया, आगे लिखो M2 M3, M2 F1 and M2 F2। नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम M3, M3 M1 हो गया, M3 M2 हो गया, डोंट रिपीट दैट। सो M3 आगे क्या लिखना है, F1, M3 F2। नेक्स्ट F1 से स्टार्ट करो, F1 F2। F2 के लिए कोई नहीं है फिर। सो these are the possible pairs, possible committees of 2. So how many committees are there? That is NS 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we can form 10 committees of 2. Now condition A or event A is given, there must be at least one woman member. At least one, at least का मतलब बराबर समझो, at least यानी कम से कम एक चाहिए, ज्यादा कितना भी हो सकता है, कम एक से कम नहीं चलेगा, यानी नो वुमन नहीं चलेगा, एटलीस्ट वन वुमन, उसमें 2 वुमन चलेगा, 3 वुमन चलेगा, लेकिन एक नहीं, मीन्स नो वुमन, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. सो हियर A is equal to event A, M1 M2 not allowed, M1 M3 not allowed. Here one woman is there, so M1 F1, then M1 F2, again M2 F1, having one woman at least, M2 F2, then M3 F1, M3 F2, उसके बाद F1 F2, both women. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, only this 3, M1 M2, M1 M3 और M2 M3, ये 3 उसमें से माइनस हो जाएगा, and A is equal to 7. So in this way the condition is, read the condition, at least one woman must be there in that committee. Now event B, B event का condition पहले read करना है, हर एक इसका event का condition बराबर समझना है, फिर लिखना है. One man, one woman. The committee is one man, one woman. Only that we have to write from this one. Here both male, ये नहीं चलेगा. One man, one woman यानी M1 F1, उसके बाद M1 F2, एक मेल एक फीमेल, उसके बाद M2 F1, M2 F2, एक मेल एक फीमेल, और M3 F1 and M3 F2. So these are the possibilities in which one male and one two, here it is 6. Now third event is, there should not be a woman member, उसमें woman अभी नहीं चाहिए. So C is a set in which M1 M2 both are the male, M1 M3 both are the male, and M2 M3 no woman. So this NC is equal to 3. So in this way we can write the events and the number of sample units in the event. Now here last example from this practice set, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So if one coin and one die is thrown, what is S? देखो, head 1 means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. उसके बाद टेल आएगा, टेल 1 means T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. If one coin and one toss is thrown simultaneously, एक बार अगर हम लोग फेंकते हैं तो ये सेट आता है, NS is equal to 12. Now conditions are given. Condition for event A, to get head and odd number, head and odd number, वो पेयर्स हम लोग को A में सिलेक्ट करना है. So which are the pairs? Head और odd number, यानी H1, उसके बाद H3, उसके बाद H5. So these are the 3 pairs in which we get head and odd number. So NA is equal to how many numbers? 3. Now B is the second event. To get a head or tail, head or tail both allowed, and even number. So here head and 2, head and 4, head and 6. So here head and even number, head, even number, head, even number, or tell even number, tell even number, and tell even number means T4, T2, T6. So here NB is equal to kitna? Number of sample units 6. Now C event is given. C, read the condition. Number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Is it possible? Number on the upper face is 7. Die. There is no, means it is empty set. So C is equal to empty set. Now NC is equal to 0. इसमें कोई unit नहीं है. Impossible event. So C is the impossible event. So friends, here that practice set 5.3 is completed. If you have any doubt in practice set 5.3 or any example from this probability, you can write in the comment box. I will definitely solve that doubts. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share these videos to your friends.